Fix-It Mortgage by Advisors Mortgage Group helps you purchase a home as is and add the cost of renovations. You can even refinance an existing loan with today's low interest rate and include the cost to repair or remodel. Sally's dream home needed a new septic system. Fix-It Mortgage provided Sally the loan to buy the home as is and included the cost for a new septic. Alex and Sarah were expecting. Fix-It Mortgage helped them refinance, adding 865 square feet for a nursery. Refinance your mortgage with today's low interest rates and make those improvements. Frank Montufar's 28 years of renovation financing experience will help you get the money you need. Call Frank's personal cell number 609-412-2998. That's 609-412-2998. You'll be glad you did. Again, call Frank Montufar at 609-412-2998. NMLS number 190389. Advisors Mortgage Group is licensed by the New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance. NMLS number 33041. Equal housing opportunity.